Alright, the sun's starting to set here in Antigua. It's Saturday, August 31st. I'm still the only one at Waterfront Inn hostel. Goddamn bird. Get out of my food! Get, bird! Damn bird, I'm getting ready to cook. You better get. Anyway, not much open. I mean, junk food, pizza, crap. I had enough of that, so went to the store. Now, first off, they got dishes here, but I washed every one of them, scrubbed them. So I'm gonna have some broccoli. Then I found some like potato wedges, you know, some kind of crap. They didn't have a colander, so I'm got this little strainer. I'm gonna steam my broccoli there. And then I got some chicken, just breast and legs. I'd skinned them. I'm gonna fry them in there. I do have some oil, don't I? Yeah, it looks like cooking oil. Not much, but it'll do. And that's what's gonna be for dinner. Rocking out. Quiet. On Dockyard Street. Low season. Got me a cold banks going on. Just got it out of the freezer. Heck yeah. I'm just gonna sit here and watch sunsets. Hotter than hell in here, but that's alright. Yeah, sunset's coming. It's absolutely dead English Harbour. Dockyard Street. I wish this cloud would get out of my way. It's messing up my sunset, but got me some banks. I'm frying some chicken and some kind of potato wedges. Oh, my broccoli finally started boiling. It's taking forever. I got the wind blocked in all directions here. Yeah, let's see if we can do this. I bet it's been 20 minutes. I don't have a colander or whatever you call it. Hopefully this will steam like this. Back to blocking the wind. Wind blocking things. Look at this. I've got cutting boards held up. I try to close that thing, but I need a stick or something to push it out, to get it out, but it'd be hotter than hell then. Oh well. Hopefully this broccoli will be ready in 10 or 15 minutes. I'm not sure about the chicken and I don't know, they're like potato wedges, hash browns or something. But it's a good evening. I'm still the only one here at the hostel, Waterfront. Man, I got the place to myself. Lounge chairs. Enjoying the evening, actually. Wish there was a little more happening down here, but that's alright. I'm entertaining myself. Got the AC cranking. It's pretty warm out here. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Cricket tomorrow morning. Got the AC cranking in here, so if I need to, whoo, it's nice and cool in here. I got it down to 16 degrees centigrade. Okay, I gotta go watch my food. Uh-oh. Beer bottles are starting to stack up over here. Oh well. They'll get over it. 5:39 on Saturday evening. At the Waterfront Inn. Go check on my food. I hope that broccoli. I don't know, I've never cooked raw broccoli in a microwave. I should have heated up the water in that maybe. I haven't cooked on a gas stove for ages. Is it steaming? Yes. I know my chicken's cooking. Alright. Dinner's gonna be served soon. I'm hungry. I just had a little sub sandwich. It's like a hot dog bun. A pina colada and a beer. Cost 38 US. Prices here are not Central America, that's for sure. Antigua's kind of fancy. Alright, get out of the way, cloud, so I can see my sunset.